Okay, so let's start over. Alright, so today we are going to be building test part 1. Go into Inventor, click on Part. Before you get started, you should do a Save As, put it where you want it, and with a name that is appropriate. So I'm going to do test part 01, save. I'm going to replace the old one. And the first thing you're going to do is start a new sketch. Pretty much every step you do, you work from left to right. So start sketch, and you're going to pick a plane to start drawing on. Based on our drawing, I'm going to pick the XY plane. I'm going to use the mouse wheel, push down on it to move your screen. I'm going to make a rectangle. Hover over this till it turns green. That means you're starting at the origin. Click, pull it away, see what dimensions we need. We need to make 4 by 6. Okay, so I'm going to type in 6, tab, 4, enter, and you can't see anymore, so we're going to have to zoom out using our wheel. Center that. We're done for now, so I'm going to finish the sketch. Hit the home button so I can see it. Extrude. And how far do we want to extrude it? Think of the, what is it, 2 inches? Yeah, 3 inches. Okay, so now we have basically a block. We need to add this in here. And there are 2 ways to do it. We can draw a rectangle here and extrude it out. That's called subtractive because we're cutting away. Or we can put a rectangle on the top and extrude it down. So in this case, I think we should draw the rectangle on the top and extrude down. The challenging piece of just drawing the rectangle is going to be getting the correct distance. So it's 1.5 inches. Okay. So we need to pick this top plane here to sketch on. So I click 2D sketch, highlight the side that I want to draw on, or the plane I want to draw on, put it over where I want it. I'm going to draw another rectangle. Now I need to make sure I'm all the way on the side. Not quite there yet. See, it's highlighted. Scoot up just a little bit more and you get this box. That's super important. That means that you are on the line or on the side of the object. Click. I'm going to come down here. Once I'm on the side again, I can adjust the length of this. So that's going to be 3. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, now this is great and everything, except you'll notice it is not centered. So now as I move from left to right across the buttons up here, I need to dimension. And if I click on these 2 lines, I can separate them at an exact distance. So click, click. Clearly I didn't click very well on the first one. Cancel. Okay, let's try this side. Ah, there we go. Click, and we want 1.5 inches. So now you see it's centered. So I'm going to finish the sketch. I need to extrude this, what, 2 inches down, I believe? Yeah, 2 inches down. So I'm going to extrude. Highlight the area that you want to extrude. Now you see a preview of what's happening. That's not right. We want to go 1. Well, we only want 2 inches. So I'm going to type in 2 here. And instead of up, we want to go down. Now, if you're not seeing that, you need to hit the arrow here so you can have all these controls. Once you see a preview of what you want, go ahead and hit OK. At this point, just check to make sure that you have what you want. Okay, make sure to save it, and you're done.